Hello everyone, I'm Abhay and today we're gonna talk about how to end the conversation in English. Have you ever been talking to someone in English and you wanted to leave but you don't know how to end the conversation? You didn't want to be rude, you didn't want to suddenly disappear, and you didn't want to continue the conversation. So you just stay longer than you wanted, or you just walked away quietly. So you stayed longer than you wanted, or you walked away quietly. If this happens to you, you are not alone. Ending a conversation politely is a skill, just like starting and continuing. In this video, you will learn how to end a conversation politely, naturally, and respectful way. Why ending a conversation is difficult. Most English learners think if I leave, it will sound rude. I don't know the correct sentence. What if other person feels bad? Because of this fear, learners usually do one of these. Number one, they suddenly stop talking. They say nothing and move. They keep talking even they are tired. But in real life, ending a conversation politely is normal and you just need to follow some steps. Native speakers always do that. You just need right structure and you can end your conversation politely and naturally. Remember this formula. First, you have to mention reason and then polite line. After that, you can say goodbye. That's it. You don't need long explanation. You don't need perfect English grammar. You have to say reason, polite line, and then say goodbye. Give a reason. In English, it is a polite to give a small reason. Don't give a big reason, just small reason. And your reason should be simple and honest, not fake. You can give some common reasons. For examples, I have to go now. I need to get back to work. I have a meeting. I have something to do. I should leave now. Remember, you don't need to explain those reasons. Just short reason and polite reason. Add a polite line. After a reason, add a polite sentence. This shows respect and friendliness. So I'm giving you some polite line you can use in your ending conversation. It was nice talking to you. It was good to meet you. I really enjoyed our conversation. Nice talking to you. This line is very important in any kind of conversation and it shows respect and ending politely. At the last moment, you can say goodbye. But how? If you are at the stage where you are going to end your conversation, you can say some these phrases. Say goodbye or future line. Now end the conversation. So how will you end the conversation? You can see these lines. You can say them. See you later. Talk to you later. Bye. Take care. If you want to sound warmer and want to meet again in the future, then you can say talk to again soon. See you soon. Let's talk again soon. Hope to see you again. Real life practice. How to practice in real life. For example, you are at work and you got help from your colleagues, your co-workers. Imagine at work two colleagues are talking, A and B. A says, thanks for your help. B says, no problem. A said, I need to get back to work now. It was really nice talking to you. B said, sure, talk to you later. Imagine you are with a friend. Imagine you are talking with someone. A said, this was a good chat. And B said, yes, it was. A said, I have to go now. See you later. B said, okay, bye. Online chat. Imagine you are chatting with someone. So you can say, I should go now. And then say, It was nice talking to you. And then other one say, same here. And you can say, talk to you later at a public place. How to end a conversation there? Imagine you are talking with other at a public place. So how to end conversation? You can say, I need to leave now. Nice meeting you. And other one say, nice meeting you too. Common mistakes to avoid. You can avoid these kind of mistakes in ending conversation. Number one, leaving without saying anything. Number two, saying only okay and walking away. Number three, very long excuses. Number four, feeling guilty for leaving. But if you end any kind of conversation without any polite ending conversation lines, then it would be more rude. So if you're gonna end any conversation in English, then you can use these lines. I have to go now. It was nice talking to you. See you later. Bye. Goodbye. Talk to you soon. Let's talk again soon. When you start your ending conversation, then you can use first reason and then add a polite line, and after that you can say goodbye. Likewise, I always mention that you don't need perfect grammar, you don't need a complicated or heavy words. You just need confidence and practice a lot. If you can start a conversation, then you can continue your conversation, and then if you want to end a conversation, then you can end your conversation politely like this. If this lesson helped you, you can subscribe to my channel and comment which lines you used in a ending conversation in English with anyone, any moment, any place, anytime. So let's meet in the next video and discuss how to improve our English fluency with a simple strategy, practical ways, and realistic conversation tips. Thank you. See you.